Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance memory with the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RT 64GB DDR4 3200 kit. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk aesthetics. This memory kit doesn't just perform well, it looks stunning too. With dynamic RGB lighting featuring 10 zones of individually addressable LEDs, encased in a panoramic light pipe, the visuals are truly mesmerizing. Whether you're into vibrant color schemes or subtle lighting effects, the CORSAIR ICE software allows for easy customization with preset profiles or the freedom to create your own. Moving on to performance, this kit is optimized for AMD motherboards, ensuring top bandwidth and tight response times, making it the perfect complement to your Ryzen system. And with a memory speed of 3200 MHz, you can expect faster load times and seamless multitasking right out of the box. But it's not just about looks and speed. The dual-tone aluminum heat spreader ensures efficient heat dissipation, even during overclocking sessions, keeping your system cool and stable. Plus, with a custom performance PCB and tightly screened memory chips, you're guaranteed the highest signal quality for optimal performance and stability. In conclusion, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RT 64GB DDR4 3200 kit ticks all the boxes for a high-end memory upgrade. With stunning aesthetics, top-notch performance, and excellent cooling capabilities, it's a must-have for any enthusiast or professional builder looking to take their system to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.